Good morning, students. Today we learn a concept of tree. Now, what is tree? Tree is a connected graph without any cycle. It is called as tree. That is, a graph without any cycle is called as a tree. If tree is a graph on n vertices, then it is denoted by Tn. Okay, that is Tn denotes T is a tree with n vertices. There are some examples on tree. First example, tree T1 on 1 vertices. Now tree T2 on 2 vertices. T3 is the tree with 3 vertices. Now another example is a non-isomorphic tree on 4 vertices. There are two graphs here, T4 and T4. These two graphs are trees, but they are not isomorphic to each other. In last lecture or in previous lectures, we see the concept of isomorphism. So, your idea is clear about the isomorphism. In isomorphism, if two graphs are isomorphic to each other, then they have same number of vertices, same number of edges, and adjacency of vertices is preserved. Then only the graphs are isomorphic. In these two graphs T4, check adjacency of vertices is not same. Number of edges and number of vertices are same, but adjacency is not preserved in these two graphs. Therefore, these two trees are non-isomorphic to each other. Okay. So this is about isomorphism of trees. Now there are some example of trees which are not trees. Here this now the first graph, it is not a tree since it is disconnected. Okay, this graph is not a tree since it is disconnected, and tree is the connected graph without any cycle, therefore it is not a tree. Now second graph is, it is a tree but it contains the cycle. It is tree, हा एक tree आहे but it contains the cycle. If there is a cycle in the graph, then it is not a tree. So it is connected graph but it is not a tree. So second graph is not a tree. Third, in graph it is also disconnected. It contains cycle. Okay, third graph मध्ये बघा इथे cycle पण आहे and the graph is not connected. The whole graph is not connected. Therefore, this graph is not a tree. So, tree is a connected graph without any cycle and it is called as tree. There are some properties of tree. Okay, the first property is, tree is a simple graph, not contains loops as well as parallel edges. So tree is a simple graph. ट्री हा एक ग्राफ आहे सिम्पल, की त्या ग्राफमध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारच्या पॅरलल एजेस अँड लूप्स नसतात. ईच एज ऑफ ट्री इज इस्थमस. थर्ड वन, ट्री ऑन एन व्हर्टायसेस हॅज n-1 एजेस. ओके, म्हणजे जर ट्री हा एन व्हर्टायसेसवरता असेल तर त्या ट्रीमध्ये n-1 एजेस असतात. For example, here graph on 4 vertices. Okay, the graph on 4 vertices, there are 4 vertices in the graph, 1 2 3 4, and there are 3 edges in the graph. That is 4, number of vertices are 4, and 4 minus 1, n-1, 3 edges. Okay, so tree is the graph on n vertices, then tree has n-1 edges. There exists युनिक पाथ बिटवीन एनी पेअर ऑफ व्हर्टायसेस. ओके, ट्रीमध्ये कुठलीही सायकल नसते, त्यामुळे ट्रीच्या कोणत्याही दोन व्हर्टायसेसमध्ये एक युनिक पाथच असतो. ओके, सिन्स देअर इज नो सायकल प्रेझेंट इन द ट्री. देन नेक्स्ट वन, joining any two non-adjacent vertices of a tree by an edge, then there exists only one circuit in resultant graph. If we draw the edge between any two vertices of the tree, then there is a cycle or circuit present in the graph. म्हणजे जर आपण ट्रीमधले कोणतेही दोन व्हर्टायसेस जर कनेक्ट केले, कोणतेही दोन व्हर्टायसेसमध्ये जर एज काढली, तर त्या ट्रीमध्ये सायकल तयार होते. ओके, अदर दॅन पेंडंट व्हर्टायसेस each vertex is a cut vertex. Other than pendant vertices, each vertex is the cut vertex. Okay, cut vertex, what is cut vertex? Cut vertex काय करतो? The graph, cut vertex चं काम काय? Cut vertex ग्राफला डिस्कनेक्ट करतो. ओके, सो अदर दॅन पेंडंट व्हर्टायसेस मीन्स द डिग्री ऑफ व्हर्टेक्स इज 1. हियर डिग्री ऑफ व्हर्टेक्स इज 1. Here degree of vertex is 1. Here degree of vertex is 1. These are pendant vertices. If we remove this pendant vertices from the tree, then tree will not be disconnected. Okay, if I remove any of the pendant vertex in this tree, then the graph or tree will be not disconnected. But I remove this vertex from the tree, but I remove if this vertex in the tree, then the tree will be disconnected. So without pendant vertex, every vertex is the कट वर्टेक्स. म्हणजे पेंडंट वर्टेक्स म्हणजे डिग्री 1 असणारे वर्टेक्स जरी ट्रीमधून काढून टाकले तरी ट्री डिस्कनेक्ट होत नाही. पण जर पेंडंट वर्टेक्स व्यतिरिक्त प्रत्येक व्हर्टेक्स हा कट व्हर्टेक्सच असतो, म्हणजे तो व्हर्टेक्स जर ट्रीमधून काढून टाकला तर तो ट्री डिस्कनेक्ट होईल. कन्सिडर दिस एक्झाम्पल T3. हिअर ऑल्सो this vertex is pendant vertex. If I remove this vertex from the tree, then the tree will not be disconnected. If I remove this vertex from the tree, then also the tree will not be disconnected. But I remove this middle vertex in the tree, then the tree will be disconnected. So this vertex is the cut vertex. So other than pendant vertex, every vertex of the tree is the cut vertex. Every tree contains at least one pendant vertex. ओके, प्रत्येक ट्रीमध्ये ॲटलिस्ट वन म्हणजेच 1 or more than 1, एकापेक्षा जास्त पेंडंट व्हर्टायसेस ह्या प्रत्येक ट्रीमध्ये असतातच. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट ट्री इज द कनेक्टेड ग्राफ विदाउट एनी सायकल अँड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय TN, दॅट इज ट्री is a graph on n vertices. It is denoted by TN. Okay.